Good morning all. Welcome to Exam Notes 365. Today we will discuss about the important current affairs on 13th January 2022. Let's start. Name the supersonic cruise missile that was test fired from INS Visakhapatnam recently. BrahMos. An extended range C2C variant of the BrahMos supersonic missile was test fired from the recently commissioned stealth guided missile destroyer INS Visakhapatnam. BrahMos is joint collaboration between India and Russia and is capable of being launched from land, sea, subsea and air against surface and sea-based targets with a range capped at 290 km. What is Nirbhay? Nirbhay is a subsonic cruise missile designed and developed in India. Where is DRDO headquarters? It is in New Delhi. Who is the chairman of DRDO? Dr. G. Satish Reddy. Who is the Minister of Defense? Rajnath Singh. Mihir Das passed away recently. He was an actor. Mihir Kumar Das was an Indian film actor who worked in Odia language films. Who has been appointed as the head of committee to probe security breach during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit in Punjab. Justice Indu Malhotra. The Supreme Court appointed a five-member committee chaired by former Apex Court Judge Justice Indu Malhotra to inquire into the security breach which saw Prime Minister's convoy stuck on a flyover in Punjab. Supreme Court is established on 1st October 1937. Who is the current Chief Justice of India? N.V. Ramana. The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. Who is the Chief Minister of Punjab? Charanjit Singh Chani. And the governor is Banwarilal Purohit. Moving to the next question. Which bank has adjudged Best Private Bank in India at the Global Private Banking Awards 2021? The answer is HDFC Bank. Where is the headquarters of HDFC Bank? Mumbai. Who is the chairman of HDFC Bank? Adanu Chakraborty. And the CEO is Sasidhar Jagdishan. SBI, ICICI and HDFC Bank are DSIBs. That means domestic systematically important banks. These are the financial institutions that are large enough where they cannot be allowed to fall. Dion Linder passed away recently. He was an athlete. He was an Olympic bronze medal winning sprinter for Thailand. Which bank has partnered with Minkasu for a seamless net banking experience for its customers? Axis Bank. It is India's third largest private sector bank. Axis Bank has tied up with Minkasu for smoother biometric-based net banking payments. Where is the headquarters of Axis Bank? Mumbai. The chairman of Axis Bank is Sri Rakesh Makhija. Who is the MD and CEO of Axis Bank? Amitabh Chaudhary. AGS Ram Babu passed away recently. He was a politician. He was a former MP representing Madurai Lok Sabha constituency. National Youth Day is observed on January 12th. The birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda, also called Swami Vivekananda Jayanti, is celebrated every year on 12th January. He was born on 12 January 1863. Who has been appointed as the chairman of ISRO, Indian Space Research Organisation? S. Somnath. Senior rocket scientist S. Somnath has been appointed as the 10th chairman of ISRO. ISRO is the primary agency in India to perform tasks related to space-based applications, space exploration and development of related technologies. ISRO is formed on 15 August 1969 and the headquarters is in Bengaluru, Karnataka. Controllers Data Center has deployed Asia's largest gas-insulated substation in Mumbai. The state-of-art 300 megawatt gas-insulated substation facility, scalable to 700 megawatt, is the first of its kind deployment of power infrastructure by any data center company in the Asia-Pacific region. Who is the CM of Maharashtra? Uddhav Thackeray, and the governor is Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. To get more current affairs videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Also, leave your feedbacks in the comment section. See you tomorrow. Bye.